Our IXG series stations have built-in door release relays. We can use the triggering of these door release relays to send SIF signals over the network to our IXW-MAA multipurpose relay adapter. This allows us to use the relays on that adapter to trigger door release as opposed to the relays that are built into our door stations. If you haven't added an IXW-MAA into your system yet, you can follow the steps earlier in this guide to do so. Here's a quick explanation of how the IXW-MAA interacts with your IXG system. When an answering station or mobile app sends the command for a door station to release the door it is next to, the relay closing on that door station sends off a SIF signal to the IXW-MAA. When the adapter receives this signal, it sees which door station sent the signal in and fires the corresponding relay. For our first step of programming, we'll be going to SIF settings. Navigate to Function Settings on the left-hand menu, and then go to SIF. For each door or entrance station that will signal the IXW-MAA, we want to set SIF functionality to Enable. Under the SIF Settings column, we want to set the program type to 0100. Then we'll enter the IP address of our IXW-MAA. Then we'll set the destination port to 65014, SSL to Enable, and connection to socket. After that, scroll right to the Transmission Trigger section. Here we will be checking the Change Contact checkbox for every station that will be signaling the IXW-MAA. After changing these settings, hit the Save button in the top left-hand corner. Now that we set up our door stations to signal our adapter, we need to set up the relays on the IXW-MAA itself. On the left-hand menu, navigate to Option Input, Relay Output Settings, then the Relay Output sub-tab. Relay Output 1 will be displayed here by default. The Display Settings menu at the top will allow us to change which relay output on the IXW-MAA we're currently viewing. Once a relay output is chosen, set the function on the IXW-MAA to Contact Change SIF event. You will need to do this for every relay that we want to be triggered by a door station. Scroll right from here to the Change Contact SIF event column and select the station that we want to trigger this relay. Click the Save button in the top left to save your programming, then repeat these steps for each IXW-MAA output that needs to be programmed. After making these changes, be sure to upload all settings to the stations following the steps shown earlier in this guide.